What's up everyone, welcome. How are you? Welcome to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Jano Lasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And if you like one of this, click the notification bell now so you'll be notified on the next upcoming video. And today is another reason why I'm not reselling the Kobe 1 PROTRO. Boom. And if you are wondering why, this one is now reselling really high. Check this out. And they are like, oh, not real, that's not real, right? And like the price is really high. So if you also seen my other video, this one and this one is a way different colorway. Bam! Boom! Alright, take out the other one. Boom! There you go. Ooh, nice colorway, right? It is the Lakers colorway. What do you think? Huh? Well, I got if you've seen my other video which I undead stock them, and not those one are really good. Also the price alone, I grabbed them somewhere $49.97 with the additional 30, somewhere came down to 35, 36 ish, and they were selling now for 600 to 700 of those. This one also in same price, somewhere 600, 650 now. It's very tempting. I said this was supposed to be I mean, I won this on the sneaker app when they released this one. If I can get me one of those, because this one had some kind of history. So this one is released with those think 16. When they released one, they had a 16 pair of shoes including this one. So I said, when I want one of those, and it would be one of the Kobe in the collection, or it might be the only Kobe in my collection. So I grabbed them retail. In the retail on this one, when I grabbed them, is 175. So I bought them for retail on the Nike App Store because I really want them before. And this one released somewhere April 16, 2018. So think about that. I've been sitting on this one for almost 2 years now. I said I want them in the collection. Maybe it's gonna be the only one Kobe in my collection, but it's gonna be worth it because they release it with those pack with think of 16 champion. So the quality and also the durability and performance on this one, they had a really good review. Same thing the one that I had yesterday here. So what do we know about this one, the Nike Kobe 1 PROTRO, and they call it the Final Second. This one they made it for honors for Kobe Bryant's 2006 Game 4 performance against the Phoenix Suns. It's included in the Nike Champion Think 16 collection that honors 16 of the game greatest champion. This one dressed up in white and Del Sol and varsity purple color scheme. The Nike Kobe 1 PROTRO features a white leather upper with purple and yellow accent. It is Kobe number 8. Is stitched on the heels atop of full-length Zoom Air cushioned sole completes the theme. So this one was released way back April 14 at selected Nike basket retailer and Nike.com, wherein I picked this up on the Nike app. Price tag was $175. So the Kobe one they made before, and this one is the retro because they added some more cushioning and a lot more improvements on the shoes. Aesthetically, really good. So, and also they good looking. For me, the colorway of the Lakers colorway, and there you go. So I said before, when I bought them, it's gonna be, even though I'm buying them for retail, I said I'm gonna keep them for that collection. Now they jump up the price because of what happened to Kobe. So sorry to hear that. And like, he did a lot of good things, especially in basketball, and not just in basketball. He inspired a lot of people in generation. Actually, it's not my generation when he was doing his good thing in basketball, but a lot of people has been like a hero of him. So what do you think on this one? If you got them on your hands now, would you resell them for the price now? For this price now? I said, wow, this is why I'm already in this sneaker game. I like shoes and I would like to wear a shoes. It doesn't matter how hype they are now. What matters to me is I like them, but the main thing is I don't want to pay above retail. Yes, I obey them retail, which is supposed to have for me. And also, I'm more happier if I could grab them less than retail, just like this one. And that is why I'm keeping it. This one, it's keeping it for the collection. Probably I'm gonna wait for better times for undead stock them. As you can see, I got the lace dead stock lace with the shooting inside, and yes, not yet been worn. And as you can see right there, ooh, right, yeah, it's gonna be in the collection. I don't know, I could resell something else other than this, because a lot of us in the sneaker community, we have those reasons that I want this one because of this one, and I want this one because of this one. So it's different perspective. I have different perspective, especially I wasn't afford a sneaker way back in the Philippines. Check out the other videos right here. And now that I can afford to get them for retail or under retail, and I just don't want to go that route that everyone's doing, that taking advantage of his debt. Some I'm reselling, okay. The member age, I sell them, okay, but not more than like 200 times, 300 times the retail price. It's up to them. I'm a way different reseller. I like shoes. I resell shoes so I can buy my shoes. That's one thing I started in this shoe reselling game, and now I already established my ground and this reselling with different shoes. So I said I would like to resell shoes that also other buyers would also benefit for them, and not like crazy amount for them to buy a personal sneaker. I would like to have buyer know that they are buying also in below retail, and they save also when they buy a pair of sneaker of shoes. So if you already have seen one of those reviews on this one, you can check out different people who's reviewing this one, but I can't tell you the review because I haven't worn them yet. But the other one that I have yesterday on dead stock here, it was very comfortable. I wore them when I went to work to do something in the hospital, and it really comfortable, and it's very warm inside also. The main thing, I like it. I'm gonna keep them on the collection. So if you have them in your hand now, would you resell them for way that price? Or maybe you're just gonna keep it in your collection until you will have the reason for them to undead stock. leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your thought on this one, the Kobe one Protro think of the champion, Lakers colorway. And as being said, Jane Olasco here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.